it, I will sing this for you and you can listen to it. This has three parts. They move in what is called parallel motion, which means once you learn how one part moves, the other part is just the same, only slightly lower or higher or whatever, but they move the same. This is a chant. This is the one that I mentioned from Corsica. And I learned it called Affiletta. And it goes like this. Te Deum laudamus, Te Dominum confitemus, Te eternum Patrem, omnis terra veneratur, Sanctus, Sanctus, Sanctus Dominus Deus Sabaoth, Pleni sunt caeli et terra, Majestatis gloriae Tuae, Te Deum laudamus. That is the chant. It will sound even cooler with three parts. One part above, one part below, all moving exactly together in parallels, which sounds exceedingly medieval and really cool. It's a type of music, you've all heard it, the type of music that thinks you're in a huge stone cathedral. That type of music. Before you get terrified, if any of you are, this is two lines. 2 lines of music is all. They repeat over and over and over again. So, now that you're looking at the pretty words, I'm going to say the pretty words without any music. Te Deum.
Te Deum.
Laudamus.
Laudamus.
So a note about vowels. Rather than saying Te Deum, like we would in English, we go, when we say A, we say A-E. It's actually a diphthong. It's 2 vowels squeezed into one. Rather than saying A, say E. So it's closer to an A, but without the E. E. And same with oo. It's not oo. There's no W on there. It's just oo. Laudamus.
Laudamus.
So same thing with te dominum. Rather than saying dominum, there's no do. There's no do. Ooh. It's just do. So it's not I go to the store. It's I go. Dominum.
Dominum.
Confitemur.
Confitemur.
Te eternum.
Te eternum.
Patrem.
Patrem.
Omnis.
Omnis.
Terra.
Terra.
Veneratur.
Veneratur.
Sanctus Sanctus.
Sanctus Sanctus.
Sanctus Dominus.
Sanctus Dominus.
Deus.
Deus.
Sabaoth.
Sabaoth.
That's a T, not a Sabaoth. Pleni sunt caeli.
Pleni sunt caeli.
Except it's pleni sunt caeliet.
Pleni sunt caeliet.
That's what it happens. It's divided. Pleni sunt caeliet terra.
Pleni sunt caeliet terra.
That was unclear, I apologize. Majestatis.
Majestatis.
Gloriae.
Gloriae.
Tuae.
Tuae.
And then you repeat the first line. Te Deum laudamus.
Te Deum laudamus.
Now we're going to ignore the words and just work on the music. Ba da ba da 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 da. Just follow my hand like a bouncing ball. Ready? Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Whole song. So we're going to do that whole thing. Follow the bouncing hand, right? Da 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 The other thing to notice about this, you may note there isn't exactly a strict meter. If you're looking for the rhythm, you're lost. It's a chant. It isn't so much of a rhythm. You say it how the words go. So that whole beginning where I go da, 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 that's going to change depending on what the words are. The rhythm is determined how you would speak the words. And so this is why viewpoints is great. Because we're not only going to do viewpoints with our physical movement, we're going to do viewpoints with our voice. And we're going to get to the point where we're all going to be singing this song together, and I'm not going to be conducting with my hand. We're just going to feel when to say the next song. And sometimes some phrases will move quickly, and some phrases will sort of settle slowly. So we might go, Te Deum laudamus, Te Dominum Te eternum patrem. We'll memorize it. So, for now, you know the music. I know you do. Try just following along. It's a good exercise. We're just going to try it. The first phrase is Te Deum laudamus. We're going to do call and response. I'm going to sing a line. You're going to sing it back to me. So, that line all together now. Te Deum laudamus. Now listen. Te Dominum confitemur. Te Dominum confitemur. Your next line sounds like this. Te eternum patrem. Te eternum patrem. Perfect. Next line. Omnis terra veneratur. Omnis terra veneratur. Next line. Sanctus, sanctus. Sanctus, sanctus. Yes. All right, next lesson. Whenever I'm teaching, it's good to have a water bottle and a pencil. When you have a chance to get a pencil, put a slash before the last song twos, because it's actually the beginning of the next phrase. When you get a chance, or right now, if you can remember.
What's the water?
So you still want that comma after
What?
that?
What's the water gun?
Water bottle,
A water bottle.
so you can drink.
So you still want the comma after that third sanctus? Or you say,
Black.
I'm going to say this third one, you say sanctus. Is this continuous? Is it a point? Is it a point? Comma too?
So your next line is
Man, why are you filming this?
Sanctus
It's an experiment.
Dominus Deus
You're not really being filmed, just your belt line is being filmed.
Starting from the last song too, so here we go.
Sanctus Dominus Deus Sabaoth.
Next line. Pleni sunt celiet terra. The li-et, that's divided into one syllable. So listen to that one more time. Pleni sunt celiet terra. Here we go.
Pleni sunt celiet terra.
Good. Majestatis gloriae tuae.
Majestatis gloriae tuae.
We end with the first line, which again sounds like this. Te Deum laudamus. Te
Deum laudamus.
Very nice. So basically it's about long syllables and short syllables. Next piece of news is that you will all, as soon as I get a million CDs and burn them, get practice CDs. Unless I decide to do Dropbox, which case I don't have to burn anything. Talk to Jess about that afterwards. But I have recordings. I've already recorded this one for you, and I've already recorded the other one for you, and I've almost recorded the other song, which not everyone needs. So you can practice on your own as much as you like, and the practice CDs will have each line individually and all together in harmony, so you can hear it all together. And that is your introduction to this song. That's all we're going to do for that one for now. I have another one for you.
And anyone tell us need a drink of water and has not brought their own water bottle, I brought water bottles. Please reuse them. I'm not keen on water bottles bought from the store. 90% of them end up in the landfill. So
Oh gosh.
reuse them for my sense of conscience.
That's water bottles. It's really important to ship them from other countries where